Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you exactly how to use Apollo.io step by step in 2025. If you are in sales, marketing, recruiting, or just need to find decision makers and their contact info, Apollo.io is one of the best tools out there for lead generation and outreach. I will break it all down for you: how to sign up, find contracts, build lists, and send emails, even if you are a complete beginner. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get started. So first of all, what actually is Apollo.io? So Apollo is basically all-in-one B2B prospecting tool. Think of it as a giant database with millions of verified business contracts, including emails, phone numbers, company info, and more. You can search for leads, filter by industry, company size, or job title, and then reach out directly through Apollo's built-in email outreach tool. It saves you tons of time and helps you grow your pipeline faster. And yes, there's a free plan if you want to test it out. So first of all, what you need to do, so already let's get started. You just need to go to the Apollo.io and sign up for a free account. Just use your work email if you have one. Just click over here, sign up for free. I already have an account, that's why I will click on login. Once I click over here, then I will go with the Google one because I create an account with this one. So once you are logged in, you will land it to the dashboard. Once you are in, you will land it on Apollo dashboard. So at the top you will see tabs like search. Here you can see the quick search, then you have the list options, then you have the sequences and task and settings. This is your main workspace, and don't worry, it is pretty user friendly once you know where everything is. Now let's search for the leads. So let's find some leads. You just need to click onto the search. If you click over here, the search Apollo will be open. So here you can search for people or company using filter. For example, you can filter by job titles like a marketing manager or CEO. Let's search for CEO and let's hit enter. And here you will get to see all people, but that place, just click onto the people, you are able to see all who are CEO in different companies. So here you can see this is the hidden CEO of Gravity Central Mobile. You can access their mail. Then you can search it by the industry like software or healthcare, which industry they are in. Then you can search by company size, locations, technologies they use. For example, it could be company using Shopify or Salesforce. Like this way, go over here to the search and search for Shopify, and here you will get the result like people or companies, Shopify developer, Shopify digital platform. So Shopify expert, this guy search. So if you click on show all, you will get to see Shopify company look like. So this is the Shopify one, they use Shopify to work here. Then this is super powerful because you can build a really targeted list instead of wasting time on random contracts. Once you are set your filters, you just need to be hit search and Apple will show you matching contacts easily. Now let's talk about the save contacts to a list. Now let's save those contacts to a list so you can manage them later. You just need to check the boxes next to the contacts you like, then click add to list. Like let's say I think this one is quite good, I just need to select this one, and here you will get the option to add list option. You just need to click over here and then you can create a new list, or you can go choose on list from that plus that exists. You just need to click on the add list and it will be added. You can create a new list also, for example potential client US East Coast, and then you can create a list. Let's help you to stay organized. So you might have different lists for different companies, industries, or regions. So now we are going to unlock contact info. Next, Apple will sometimes hide emails or phone numbers until you unlock them. When you add contacts to your list, you will see if they are unlocked or not. So let's go to our list options and then go to our list panel. Here you can see we have the black dog. So I will go over here and here I will find out two people we already added. One is BlackRock and another one is Shopify. That email is, you can see the visible phone number is requested phone number. You just need to request the phone number. So you just need to be enrich fonts to get phone number. you just need to click to the unlock, and Apple will reveal verified email and phone number if available. You can export this to a CSV file or contact them directly to your CRM like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive. Now send emails with sequence. Alright, now comes to the outreach part. Apple lets you send emails directly from your platform with sequence. You just need to go over here to the sequence. Once you come over here, you can easily create sequence for you. Like you can personalize emails with merge fields like first name, company name, or job title. So each email feels personal. Once your sequence is ready, pick the list or contracts you want to send to. You just need to set your sending schedule and hit the launch. Apple will send your emails automatically and even track opens. Click on the reply. Here you can just click over here and we hit the sequence limit, so we just need to delete those. So let's select all of them and select these two, and then just click select all and just apply. And here if I click on this one again, let's try apply, and here you can see, and I'm going to click on archive and just click this one, and it will take a couple of minutes to delete. And now if I click on sequence, and now here you can create from the scratch. You can select this template, you can give assist from artificial intelligence, you can make a copy of one of your existing sequence. Also I'll click on template, and from that place I will select that at-risk customer, change in readership, or you can congratulate on your role. Just select this one, and then from that place I'm going to create the sequence. So here you can see actually it already been created. So this is the easiest way to create the sequence. Now let's talk about the use task and reminders. If you're doing manual follow-ups or calls, Apple task feature is really handy. You just need to click to the task. Here you just need to click over here. You can see what calls, emails, or follow-ups you have scheduled in here. We are not do anything here, that's why all are empty. You just need to click over here, new task, and you can set your tasks over that place. You can create reminders like call John on Thursday or follow up with Shara in 2 days. This keeps your offers organized so no leads slip through the tracks. So now let's talk about the key tips and best practice for you. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips that always double check your emails. Keep them short, clear, and relevant to your prospect, and don't spam. Personalize your message to people actually reply. Use the free credits wisely. Unlock high quality contacts that really match your ideal customer, and connect your CRM if you have one, so you don't lose track of leads as they move through your pipeline. And that's it for today. Now you know how to use Apollo.io step by step in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical and how-to guides, and drop a comment if you would like a deeper dive into Apollo's advanced feature or sales outreach tips. Thanks for watching. Now go find those leads and close those sales. See you next one.